everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. The coronavirus pandemic has shown light on the need for improved cybersecurity measures on the part of healthcare providers to prevent patient data breaches. In one incident, the U.S. company End Treatment left thousands of sensitive health records exposed online in an unprotected cloud storage server. Around 109,000 files, including doctor's notes, third-party test results, and insurance claims, were exposed by End Treatment, a tech firm that provides a software for managing health and patient records. How scary is it that our health records could be at risk, and the cybersecurity, if not taken care of and properly protecting us, our information could be accessed by anyone who knows how to hack a system. Hope that you stay safe out there. Have a good week.